Grok is still free. Using this tool I'm going to show you on this video, you can still access Grok image to video generator for free. So without wasting much time, let's head right into the video. I know many of you have tried to use Grok for the past how many days now, and you hit this paid wall asking you to pay $30 for registration for 1 month, and many of us don't have that money. So with this tool, you can actually still use Grok for free, and you can still do it on your mobile phone. So what you're going to do next, you're going to search for this website, key.ai, kia.ai. I will leave the link in the description so you can actually know the right website to click on. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on this website, allow it to open. With this method, you can actually use the credit multiple times, unlimited videos. So what we're going to do, we're going to click get started. It's going to ask us to log in with our Google account or our Microsoft. But on this video, we are going to be using Microsoft, because with Microsoft, we can actually generate multiple email accounts without our name and without our phone number. So what we are going to do, we are going to head over to this website. So we are going to generate our name. So what we'll do, you go to this website called fakenamegenerator.com, and we'll also drop the link in the description. You click on it. So it's going to open up like this. So as you see this menu here, you can actually choose the kind of name you want. You want randoms, you want male, you want female. You can just actually choose it. So but I'm going to leave it at male. Then I'll choose the country. You can actually choose any country you want, but I'll leave it here in America, then United States. So what you're going to do next, you're going to click on generate. It's going to bring out new name. As you can see, another name has popped up here. So, and if you don't like this name, you can actually hit generate again and change it. So we are going to go with this name. We're going to click and copy it. We're going to head over to Microsoft email and try to create an email. You click on sign in. You click on sign in. We're going to create one. Click on create one. So it's going to bring out this menu like this. What you're going to do here, you're going to insert that name you just copied. You're going to remove every space on the names. You're going to remove every space from everything. Then what you're going to do next, you're going to click at outlook.com. So it's going to open up like this. So what you're going to do, you're going to click next. So it's going to ask you for a password. You can use any password, because we are going to create another account after we finish using this one. So I'm going to create any password. You can just write anything, and you're clicking on next. I don't want to save it, so I'm going to put United States, because that's the name I used. You can go back to the website and choose a date of birth. As you can see, April 20th, 1981. April 20th, 1981. So we're going to click on next. It's going to ask you for the name. You already have the name. You're just going to paste it here. Then click this last name, so we can put it in the surname. You're going to click on this checkbox and press next. It's going to ask us to verify. So what we're going to do, we can either click and hold down on our mouse or your phone, or you can just click on this place to allow it verify by itself. So I'm just going to wait for a moment, allow it to verify, press again, then wait. Sometimes it happens like this if your connection is a little bit slow. So you're just going to wait or press and hold down on this button. So it's going to bring up this page like this. So what you're going to do next from here, you're just going to click OK. So it's going to take me straight right into the email account. So it's going to open up like this. So all you have to do is head over back to key.ai and use this email to log in. So we'll go back to key.ai. Then we're going to click on sign in with Microsoft. We're going to allow it to load. It's going to ask us this. We're going to click on accept. Click on accept. It's going to bring up this interface like this. It's going to ask us to do a little bit of verification. You have done this 1,000 times. So what you're going to do from here, you're going to click on this checkbox that I am a human. We're just going to wait for Key AI to process. After you have done this step from here, it's going to be easy. So as you can see, we are inside Key AI. You can actually use different type of models here, but we are mainly here for Grok. So what we're going to do, we're going to allow it to load all the models, or you can just go here, this search box here, and click on it. You search for Grok, then it's going to come out like this. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on try it. So it's going to bring up this interface like this. So what you're going to do next from here, you're going to click image to video, because that's what we want to generate. We want to generate image to video. As you can see, it's going to bring out this interface like this. As you can see, this is where we are going to be including our reference image. So we are going to remove this because we don't want to use this. We're going to remove this. Click on remove. Then you're going to select your image you actually want to turn into video. So we're going to click on select files. Head over to the image we're going to use. We want to use this image, Spider-Man image. We'll allow it to upload. So once your image has been uploaded, so what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down and see where you can actually input your prompt. This is where you are going to write in your prompt. So we're going to write Spider-Man swinging and says hello. So we have included this simple prompt. So you can actually change the mode. You can leave it on fun, normal, or spicy, but I'll leave it on normal. Then here you can actually change the aspect ratio. So I'm using 9:16. Then you can change the duration here, but I'll leave it on 6 seconds. Then you can choose if you are going for 480p or 720p, so you can have a clearer video. So I'm going to leave it on 780p. Then as you can see, the credit is going to change here. You see the credit has changed into 18 credits. So what you're going to do from here, you're going to click run. You wait, your video will start generating here. Just give it a second. As you can see, generating content. Please wait, we are processing your request. This doesn't take so much time. As you can see, it's really fast. So as you can see, it has generated the video. As you can see, your video is up here. So what we're going to do next, we're going to play the video. Let's see how it looks like.
Hello. Oh.
As you can see, it says hello. Then once you are done with that, you can actually click download. So you can actually save the video on your system. As you can see, have started downloading, and boom, that is it. This is how you can actually use Grok unlimitedly. And once you are done with this account and generated about 6 to 10 videos. If you are using 480p, you can generate up to 10 videos. But after you are done, you can actually go back to Microsoft and create another email again. Just like that, just repeat the process and you're going to get different videos of your choice. So if you like watching videos like this, please drop a comment and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.